Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by parking the Jeep on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and turning off the ignition. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Gather tools, 10mm and 7mm sockets, ratchet, flat screwdriver, light gloves, and replacement bulbs, H11 low beam, 9005 high beam on many Wranglers. You may also need a Torx T20 for some bezels and a trim tool to pop clips. Work on one side at a time, and allow 15 minutes per headlight for a calm, methodical approach. Open the grille or pull the bezel tabs depending on your year. Remove screws with a 10mm socket and pop the outer bezel free. Unplug the headlight electrical connector by pressing the clip and pulling straight back. Then twist the bulb counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Remove the headlight housing after loosening 3 retaining bolts with a 7mm socket. Set bolts aside in a labeled container. Wear nitrile gloves to avoid skin oil on halogen bulbs, and inspect wiring for corrosion before continuing. Install the new bulb by inserting and twisting clockwise until it seats. Reconnect the electrical plug and test the circuit. Refit the headlight housing, hand-tighten retaining bolts, then torque to about 3 ft-lb to avoid cracking the bezel or deforming the seal. Reinstall the bezel and grille fasteners, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. To aim, park the Jeep 25 feet from a wall on level ground and adjust the vertical screws so the bright cutoff sits about 2 inches below the bezel center. Verify operation by turning on high and low beams.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.